In order to make our house more beautiful, we try to decorate. If something is missing, we try to fulfill so that it looks more beautiful. Similarly, we also add more words in a sentence so that it sounds interesting, it sounds beautiful, and that is the adverb. So my dear students, in this video we shall learn about this interesting topic, adverbs. So what is adverb? An adverb is a word that is used to modify or add information to a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Sometimes adverbs modify the entire sentence. For examples, John sang well. Here the adverb is well and it modifies the verb sang. John sang very well. Here the adverb is very and it modifies the another adverb, that is well. Let us see another example. Mary is quite tall. In this sentence, the adverb is quite and it modifies the adjective tall. Alright? Mostly adverb is formed by adding ly to the adjectives. For examples, nice, nicely, gentle, gently, playful, playfully. Alright. Now we shall discuss kinds of adverbs. There are many kinds of adverbs. First is adverbs of minor. The second is adverbs of time. The third is adverbs of place. Fourth is adverbs of reason. Fifth is adverbs of frequency. Sixth is adverbs of degree. Seventh is interrogative adverbs. And the last is relative adverbs. Now let us discuss one by one in detail. Let us take the first type of adverbs, that is adverbs of minor. What is adverb of minor? Adverbs of minor indicate how an action is performed. For instances, the baby smiled happily in her mother's life. In this sentence, happily is adverb of minor because it indicates how the action of smiling is performed. Let us see one more example. He played piano nicely. Here the word nicely is adverb of minor because it indicates how an action of playing piano is done. So words such as happily, bravely, fast, quickly, gladly, and sorrowfully are common adverbs of minor. The second type of adverb is adverbs of time. It indicates when an action is performed. For examples, I knew his real identity long before it was discovered by detective. So here adverb of time is before. Let us see one more example. The guests will arrive now. Here the adverb of time is now. Words such as now, ago, before, after, tomorrow, today, since, later, still, yet, and soon are common adverbs of time. The third type of adjective is the third type of adverb is adverbs of place. Adverbs of place indicate when an action is adverbs of place indicate where an action is performed. For examples, they will come here. So here the word here is adverb of place. The rats followed the piper everywhere. Here the word everywhere is adverb of place. Words such as here, there, away, near, everywhere, nowhere, anywhere are common adverbs of place. The fourth type of adverb is adverbs of reason. Adverbs of reason indicate why an action is. Adverbs of reason indicate why an action is performed. For examples, he is unwell and is therefore unable to come to school. Here the word therefore is adverb of reason. Let us see one more example. He is in Delhi now, hence he can't come immediately. Words such as therefore, hence, consequently, thus, and on account of are some common adverbs of reason. The fifth type of adverb is adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency indicate how often an action is performed. For instances, John usually studies in the morning. Here the word usually is adverb of frequency. We often holiday in the mountains. In this sentence, the word often is adverb of frequency because how often holiday happens in mountain. Okay? Words such as always, sometimes, never, rarely, usually, daily, once, seldom, and occasionally are some common adverbs of frequency. The sixth type of adverb is adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree indicate how intensely an action is performed. For examples, she was quite sick for a week. Here the word quite is adverb of degree. He was too busy to notice the little details. Here the word too is adverb of degree because it indicates how intensely he was busy to notice the little details. Words such as very, almost, too, enough, entirely, only, quite, extremely are some common adverbs of degree. The seventh type of adverb is interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions. Words such as when, where, why, how, and how often are used as interrogative of adverbs. For examples, where did the pirate hide the treasure chest? Here the word where is used as interrogative adverb. When will you get ready? Here the word when is used as interrogative adverb. And the last type of adverb is relative adverbs. Relative adverbs are used to introduce dependent clause in a sentence while modifying the verb preceding the adverb. Words such as when, where, why are some of the relative adverbs. For examples, I know the area where he lives. In this sentence, where he lives is where is relative adverbs because it is used to introduce dependent clause. Okay, let us see one more example. I wondered why no one had returned home yet. Here, relative adverb is why, and it is used to introduce dependent clause. It is not independent, but it depends on the main clause. Therefore, it is relative adverb. So, in this video, we have discussed meaning of adverbs, and then we have discussed different types of adverbs.